Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of the Create for Change video series. Today we are going to be making some homemade food coloring. So the first thing I'm going to do is fill up my pot with water, as much as I think is necessary. And then I'm going to choose the spice that I want. I chose cayenne pepper because it's a nice orange color. Next, I'm going to add the cayenne pepper to the water as much as I want. The more you add, the darker the color. Next, I'm going to turn on the stove and wait for my water to boil. I realized that I didn't put enough cayenne pepper, and so I added some more. It kind of fell out, so make sure you put your spice inside of the water and not all over the stove. Then I'm going to mix everything to make it even, and once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the stove because the water has been boiling for a good minute. Next, I'm going to let my water cool for about 15 minutes. And then, once it's done, I'm going to take a trivet or anything to protect my hands with, and I'm going to pour the water into a bowl. Here, I'm using a strainer so that any leftover cayenne pepper doesn't go into my water. Next, I'm going to pour it into a cup with a beak in it, making sure that any cayenne pepper that fell in doesn't touch the water. Before I leave the kitchen, I need to clean up my mess, so I'm going to go ahead and wash everything thoroughly. I need to clean everything. Okay, awesome. Good work, guys. And this is my final result. So I'm pretty satisfied with how the color turned out. I could have gone a little darker by adding more cayenne pepper, but this is the result, and the idea is basically the same with every single color that you want to make. So you just go into your refrigerator, go to your spice rack, and choose the color that you want to create. So originally I wanted to make blue food coloring, but I didn't have any blueberries, and so I just chose my cayenne pepper. It's super easy, super fun, and it's natural flavors that won't harm you, so there aren't any really added chemicals that you may be unsure about, maybe your parents are unsure about. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and you guys can use this for any art activity and even when baking.